Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Simbut mendiramba kejela uba Sniawbhalang dhar. Ulong ba Satang Khyndiat Taïew an sa Pynkynriah yakinong Shong de Madan na linti ya kejan Laitumkhrah. Habakren shikilat patai kubor mdakasngi kapra taring. Naitung arajar arpuhenriu. Uba Sniaw ulong bhakabede kejing Pynkynriah yakiba Shong de Madan hamot pran bat GS Road. Kejing pet benya Kedangyat. Ban tibru kat no tadi bahab ban Pynkynriah. Bat hadian kene an sa Pynkynriah hakajaka kababyang. Ulong ba suki-suki an sa Pynkynriah ya baro kiba de Madan hakajaka kibabyang wakin Shong kala ban shimpor henry ngidang don kejing penbet halor kani ulong.
And even the process is on, and we are yet to finalize maybe in a matter of few weeks for the Laitumkhrah portions. And for the other part of the city, so we are on the process of identification.
GS Road
Yes, Matfan, GS, so we are almost identified. So we are yet to get the exact number, how many we have to move. And so therefore be able to know what type of place can accommodate them at the right place.
And from the Muda, you get how can market in the poor side, really especially this.
We cannot see once at all, so slowly we'll be there all the crowded place. It will take a little bit time, but we are in the process of doing that.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya mankasni kalong kajing sedang bathumar ki jingikai bapura katkom kajok kabamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jingikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong but ki kalalong ka jingshisha. MIT University Meghalaya kajingya lenti kabastang shakalaway bachok.